Alrighty everyone, welcome to the first official tutorial style video of my YouTube channel and the second video that I'm posting. Today we are covering draining the fuel tank on the later year XJS. I believe it's the same for all of them because they changed the tank in the later years, and I believe they did something to do with the pressure regulator for the gas to let the gas come out. It changed it to 2 psi, something like that. Anyways, getting straight into it, the surge tank is underneath here, and it should be the same for all JAAAGGG XJSs, I believe. And so, obviously, you could pull this little cover off if you wanted to, in order to get at the surge tank, which is underneath there. But I did not do this because it's not necessary in order to drain. Originally, reading on forums, I couldn't find many pictures or anything of where the actual fuel drain is. So on the back of my XJS, this is a US spec. I don't know if it's different from the Europeans or anything. I have to assume not. They all look the same in the trunk, fuel tank, surge tank, all in the same place. So on your right side of your trunk, aka your passenger side of the vehicle, is where your drain plug should be, not on this left side. I looked over there and that was incorrect. So you're gonna go underneath your wheel well right here, and as you go underneath here, you can see there's my wheel. Here's this little breather valve, and then right next to it is this little plug. And I want to pop this plug out for you guys to show you, but it's not really necessary to show you because you're just going to be looking at what you're going to be looking at anyways on your car. So once you pop this little plug out, you can see it's kind of got a divot to it. You can pop it straight directly upwards instead of pulling it down is what I tried to do originally, but it's easier just to pop it straight upwards. So just pop it right into the trunk, push it to the side a little bit, and your drain valve should be right here, and it's going to be a 11/16 is going to be the size, and you're going to want an extended socket for that because of the little tube that's on the end of the drain. You can attach something to that if you want to, but I mean, you can't get the socket on there and get a tube on there at the same time. So just make sure you have something underneath here to catch all your fuel, and the tank will go to the surge tank and come out of this. So you're not only draining your surge tank, you're draining your entire tank. Trust me, I filled this up, and I filled that up as well, which is just your common, AutoZone oil carrier thing. So I filled both of those up, and I didn't even fully drain my tank at all, and I don't believe my tank was full or even close to full. So yeah, that's a real quick tutorial on how to drain your Jaguar XJS fuel drain. Again, that is an 11/16 that you will need in order to drain that. I took my my fuel cap out in order to release whatever pressure is in there, maybe make it drain out faster. I don't know if that does make a difference. It didn't really seem to in the flow. It was all still coming through at the same rate. So yeah, quick tutorial. Shoot a like if this was helpful. I haven't seen any other videos out on YouTube showing this. Sorry if I didn't show you the actual little, nut and plug, but it's really simple. It's just right there, tiny little, stem on the end of the nut that you crack, and it's as simple as that. You're gonna get some fuel on your hands. It's not a big deal. Just deal with it. All right, shoot a like and subscribe for more JAAAGG stuff. I'm mostly gonna be doing stuff on the JAAAGG, not on MEEP right now. So yeah, thanks for watching.